Hari Om. So let us discuss Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Nadi Shodhana, Nadi is the channels which carries our energy, and Shodhana means purification. By practicing Nadi Shodhana, we can purify our energy channels and we can balance our nadis. So mainly we have two nadis, Ida and Pingala. So Ida is flowing in the left nostril and Pingala is flowing in the right nostril. Nadi Shodhana purifies our nadi and helps us to balance both nadis. So these both nadis are unite in our sixth chakra. So in Nadi Shodhana, because Nadi Shodhana is balancing pranayama. So for balancing anything, for physically, if we want to balance our enzymes of the body, hormones of the body, or any secretions of the body, or mentally if we wanted to balance our mind, for spiritual, for emotional, intellectual, anything. So this helps to balance our nadis. Sixth chakra is the place of union of Ida and Pingala. So we use Nasika Mudra by keeping these two fingers on your third eye chakra. So we keep this finger here, and the technique of Nadi Shodhana is similar like Anuloma Viloma. So left inhale, right nostril exhale, right inhale back and exhale from the left side. This is one round of Nadi Shodhana. But what is the difference in between? In Nadi Shodhana, we are going to breathe very, very slowly. There should be no sound when you inhale and exhale. So I will show you few rounds. First, keep your two fingers on your third eye and use your ring finger and thumb for open and close your nostrils alternatively. So keep your spine straight, roll your shoulder and drop your shoulders back, and relax your neck muscles, facial muscles. You can keep your palm on your knee or maybe in Shin Mudra. So keep these two fingers here. So in Nadi Shodhana, no need to count your repetition. Try to count your inhalation and exhalation. So how we can count? Inhalation and exhalation initially needs to be equal. Equal inhale and equal exhale. Exhale and inhale equally. So you can mentally count. So when you inhale, you can count it by the numbers. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 4 ohm, according to your own rhythm. And try to make equal your exhalation. So initially, we need to make equal inhale and exhalation. Afterwards, if you wanted to increase, so you can increase your exhalation. So you can go for twice exhalation than your inhalation. And afterwards, you can also practice Kumbhaka in these. This is the further variations of Nadi Shodhana. So this is balancing pranayama. This is suitable for all the kind of people, either pregnant ladies during the menstruation, heart patients, ulcers. For any kind of problems, we can practice Nadi Shodhana. For stress, this is very good. For insomnia, for anxiety, for frustration, for any kind of balance if we need in the body, in the mind. So we can practice Nadi Shodhana pranayama. So this is balancing pranayama. We should practice this morning or maybe in the evening, or maybe we can practice this as well before sleeping. So this is all about Nadi Shodhana. Thank you so much.